Good morning, students. Welcome to your English class. It is your English language period. Today we will going to start a new chapter 13, preposition. Preposition is the word which tells us the position of the thing. Like it is remote and it is a box, and my hand is between the two objects, remote and box. So between is preposition. Is it clear? Now start our today's chapter 13, preposition. Let's start. Here are some more example of preposition. The pen is on the box. The pen is on the box. The pen is between the pencil box and the spectacle box. The remote is under the box. So here are many words between, under, above, over, into. These are many words. These words are called preposition. Now open your book, page number 43, prepositions. Chapter 13, prepositions. Preposition is placed before a noun or pronoun. Preposition is placed before a noun or pronoun to show its relation to another word in a sentence. You can see here many sentences. This gift is for Parul. Anita is in her bed. The book is on the table. What are relation? Relationship with nouns. Gift and Parul both are nouns, and preposition is for. Preposition is for. What for this gift? Yes, Parul. The gift is for Parul. Anita is in her bed. Who is in her bed? Anita. Here the word in is preposition. In, for. Next, the book is on the table. The book is on the table. So we can see here on, in, for. These are prepositions and tells us the position of noun. Next, relationship with pronouns. Preposition tells as well as noun, she sits between us. She sits between the two children. She sits between the two children. She came with me today. He sat near me. Here you can see between, with, and near tells us the position of person. So these words are also what? Prepositions. Okay, is it clear? Now open your copy and write the definition of prepositions. First of all, you write the date in your language copy. 24/11/2020, Chapter 13, Prepositions. Definition: a preposition is a word that shows the relation between a noun or a pronoun and some other words in a sentence. Example: this gift is for Parul. She came with me today. And your homework is learn the definition of preposition and read the chapter carefully. Now open your copy and start writing. It's your classwork. Thank you. Have a nice day.